there! My name is Diva. Welcome to Diva's channel of learning fun. Are you from outer space? Just kidding. I'm just a bit distracted because I'm reading about space. Cool, right? So, let's start. What's the sun? You probably know what the sun is, but you don't know the deepest secrets of the universe. Nobody knows the deepest secrets of the universe. But we'll start with the sun today. So, let's go and travel to space and Earth into the sun. So, here comes 7 amazingly, excitingly wonderful facts about the sun. 1. Giant storms of energy and matter can cause electrical blackouts on Earth so many miles away from the sun. How? How can the sun, which is so many miles away from the Earth, how can something on the sun cause something on the Earth all the way this side? Wow. That's something to think about. Next time you have a blackout, say, no thank you, sun. Probably because the energy storm from the sun is probably causing the one on Earth. 2. Every second, the sun converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy. Whew, that's a big number. How can the sun, in 1 second, it can convert so much matter into so much energy? Precisely 4 million tons. That's something to think about. 3. The sun's core temperature can be hotter than 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my goodness! You would not like to live on the sun. When that's happening, the sun's core, the sun is a big ball of gas and helium. So it's precisely helium and hydrogen. So it has many layers. It has the corona, which is the outer layer, then the outer core, which is again another layer inside, and lastly the inner core. The core you're talking about here is the inner core and the outer core. 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The core is that hot. Now into the 4th fact. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside one sun. We all know it's only one sun and only one Earth. But here you're talking about if there were 1 million Earths, all of them could fit inside the sun. Wow, that's really squished up in there. Now, the 5th to 7th fact will be done in the next video. So, see you later, alligator. Where did they go? Oh, hi guys. Let's continue about the facts I promised you last video. Come on, let's dive in. So, it's a quick recap about the 4 facts we learned. 1. Giant energy storms from the sun can cause electrical blackouts on the Earth. 2. Every second, the sun converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy. 3. The sun's core temperature can be hotter than 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Whew. And lastly, more than 1 million Earths could fit inside one sun. Now, let's continue 5, 6, and 7. So, number 5. Scientists created a spacecraft that can fly into the sun's atmosphere without burning up. How cool is that? Now we can take pictures, we can take photographs, we can learn more about the sun. This spacecraft will open so many possibilities and discoveries for us. 6. Experts think the sun once had rings like those around Saturn. I can't imagine the sun having rings. I'm gonna picture it in my mind. Actually, I can't. We always think that the sun is just a giant ball of gas, helium, and hydrogen. But we never knew that the sun actually had rings. Mind-blowing. Now, number 7. The sun is... How old is it? Well, it had to put 4.6 billion candles on its birthday cake. It is 4.6 billion years old. Awesome! That's so cool. Reading about the sun was fun, and I never knew the sun was so interesting. But let's move a bit closer to the Earth. What about Earth's little own satellite that's going around in an orbit? And not satellites that send pictures to you or images or like cell phone, like wireless connections. It's the one natural satellite that Earth has. Yes, the moon! Let's dive into 7 magnificent facts about moons I'm sure you didn't know. 1. Moonquakes occur on Earth's moon. Moonquakes, earthquakes, and all rhymes. Cool. 2. There are more than 200 moons in our solar system. More than 200 moons! Mercury doesn't have a moon, Venus doesn't have a moon, Earth has a moon, Mars has a moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. They have moons. And all those moons equal up to 200 moons in our solar system. In the whole galaxy, I can't count the number. 3. NASA scientists hope to send astronauts back to the moon in 2025 to explore its surface. For many years, we haven't been to the moon. Last, it was Chandrayaan, the Indian satellite. USA only sent 12 astronauts on the Apollo missions, which was awesome. But then since then, nobody has been on the moon, which is sad. But to lift the spirits, we're going to the moon in 2025 to explore more. And with our newest technology and gadgets, it's going to be a blast. Lastly, scientists think that gravity will break apart Mars' 2 moons and make them rings. We've been planning to go to Mars for a long time. And when we are there, we might be the first people to explore a planet's rings. Unless there are other people on Jupiter and Saturn, which is not true. So, now it's time for me to go and learn some more. But till then, like, share, subscribe.